Updating your billing address with Blue Ridge Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Blue Ridge Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu or dashboard area of your account. Step 3. Select billing address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your address. Enter your new billing address in the provided fields. Make sure to double check the information for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for a Save or Submit button. Click it to ensure your new billing address is saved in the system. Make sure to keep your information updated to avoid any issues with your account. If you encounter any problems, consider reaching out to Blue Ridge Bank's customer service for assistance.